What's up, guys? Today I'm going to try to do skateboarding tricks without pushing. So I'm going to be using this stick from my how to ollie video and using it kind of like a stand-up paddle board, just kind of paddling around. See if I can do tricks without doing any tic-tacs and without pushing. So I could pump still because I can't not pump for some reason. It's like ingrained in my muscle memory that my knees just naturally pump in transition. So pumping is allowed, but no pushing and no tic-tacs. So let's start out in the mini ramp, and obviously if I just push a little bit with the stick, I can get into the transition and start pumping. But then I have to do tricks while holding the stick, which might be kind of hard. So the problem I had in the mini ramp was I really wanted to tic-tac, to do just like kick turns and stuff like that. But I tried to force myself not to and just get up into a tail stall and rock the fakie. So most of this park has a good flow to it, so I can kind of push myself into here and hit that rail without really having to try that hard, because there is definitely some transition. But can I get fast enough to actually board slide the top of that rail just by pushing myself in with the stick and not actually kick turning or pushing? I don't know. So I actually dropped the stick kind of like a space shuttle drops off the rockets, just because it was just added weight, and I feel like if I pulled it back it would just take a lot of my energy. So I've been pushing into transition, but can I push up transition with just the stick? Let's try that up this bank ramp and see what happens. So that kind of worked, just because this park has so much transition and so much flow, but it wouldn't work very good on street. If you just have a long flat area, it might be kind of fun. It might feel like stand-up paddleboarding, but I want to see if I could actually do some tricks with the stick. Maybe like use the stick to give myself a little extra jump. Yeah, so that's the stick. Should I bring the stick back in another video? Does the stick deserve a third video? Let me know in the comments section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.